Ho ho ho, the holiday season here again, and that means it's time to bring out the Christmas tree. Whether you are decorating for the very first time or just looking for a new idea to make your home sparkle, today's video is packed with creative, budget friendly, and heartwarming Christmas tree decoration idea that will turn your space into winter wonderland. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, sit back, and let's get inspired. Before you even hang the first ornaments, think about your tree and your tree theme. A well chosen theme gives your decoration consistent look and make your tree stand out beautifully. Some popular themes included classic red and gold, timeless warm and full festive charm. Winter Wonderland all white, silver, and ice blue for magical snow covered effects. Rustic farmhouse use burlap ribbons, pine cones, and wooden ornaments for that cozy countryside vibe. Countryland themed colorful ornaments, candy cones, and fun DIY treat. Or go for modern minimalist simple stone like white and black with sleek metallic accent. Pick a theme that matches your home decor and your personality. Lights set the mood, and the right lights can make one any tree come alive. Start with warm white fairy lights for a soft cozy glow, or go for multicolor LED lights for a fun festive look. Always start with the lights before adding any ornaments. Begin at base of the tree and work your way up to zigzag pattern to make sure every branch sparkle evenly. And if you want to be extra creative, try twinkle lights or smart lights that can change colors and pattern with an app perfect for entertaining guests. Now that is your light and glowing, it's time to add texture and flow with ribbon or garland. You can wrap a white ribbon around the tree spiral or lettuce vertically from the top to the bottom for more elegant look. Try experiment with the material like velvet or stain ribbon for a luxurious touch, burlap or rustic style, beads garland for sparkle and charm. Mix and match, just make sure not to overcrowd. You want balance, not clutter. This is where your personality shines. Start by hanging large ornaments deep inside the branches to add depth. Then place medium and small ones toward the outer edge. You can go traditional with shiny glass balls or get creative with handmade or personalized ornament. Here are a few fun ideas. Photo ornaments, print small picture of your family or pets, DIY snowflakes or stars made from paper or glitter from mini gift boxes wrapped in festive proper, natural touches like dried orange slice, cinnamon sticks or pine cones for cozy aroma. Don't be afraid to mix old ornament with new one. Each piece tells a story. The topper is like the crown of your Christmas tree. It's complete the whole look. The traditional star or angel is always a favorite, but you can think outside the box too. A giant box made of ribbon, a sparkling snowflakes topper, or even a DIY topper using branches, feathers, or fairy lights. Whatever you choose, make sure it's complement your theme and feel like the finishing touch. Don't forget to space around your tree, it's part of the magic. Add tree skirt or a basket base to hide that stand and make the bottom look neat. You can also place wrapped gift boxes, small lantern or string lights around the base for extra charm. If you have kids, set up a mini Christmas village or place plush toys and gendered figures nearby to create a storybook scene. Want to save money